So when you first open SketchUp, you're given the default Getting Started toolbar up at the top. Now, as you get more practice with the software, I would definitely recommend using the larger tool set because this gives you a little bit more options at the ready. Obviously, as you get even more practice, using shortcut keys is going to make you even faster at modeling. But in the meantime, having the larger tool set gets all of the tools that you use regularly right in front of you. So, to display the larger tool set, all you need to do is go to View, Toolbars, and make sure the large tool set is checked, and I would go ahead and uncheck the Getting Started one, and then close. And suddenly you have all these extra tools showing up on the side here. So if you want it located elsewhere, you can undock it from this side, and it can be a floating window of a toolbar, or you can just go back and redock it over there. And that's how you open up the large tool set.